Здравствуйте, меня зовут Джейсон.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Гао Нянхэнь, я из Мьянма, мне 18 лет.
Всем привет, меня зовут Elliot.
I just wanted to film a little quick video of my journey learning Russian and why I started to do it, what excites me about it and how it's changing my life.
I started learning Russian because I love the language. How that's a cliche answer, but actually, it's more of the culture. Actually, I started listening to Russian songs and I decided, hey, that sounds very nice. So I wanted to appreciate that culture more. So I started listening to the old Russian songs, like from the Soviet era.
Why I started to learn, in all honesty, I love languages. I'd learned some Chinese before and it's given me something to do during lockdown, and it's actually a lot of fun and sometimes easier than I thought, so I'm really enjoying it.
What is the most exciting thing about learning Russian? Well, I think it's the idea of talking to a foreigner. I mean, by foreigner, I mean a native Russian speaker. I think that would be very exciting for me because I I know for a fact that Russians love to hear a foreigner speaking Russian. They appreciate that. They don't alienate you for it.
What it excites about me though, what excites me about learning Russian is that I've been learning it for about 5 weeks now, and I never thought that I'd be able to read the Russian alphabet so quickly in just 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
How learning Russian has changed my life. Well, if it wasn't for learning Russian in the first place, I probably would never have come here. So firstly, it led to me to move to Moscow and develop an interest in the culture and the language. And also learning foreign languages in general, I think, opens up a new world and a new culture, even if you don't have the opportunity to travel to that country straight away.
How has learning Russian changed my life? Okay, so the thing about learning Russian is that it has taught me that my people and the Russian people, my people, the Burmese people and the Russian people, they're not very different.
I also wrote a book about my experiences as a English teacher in Russia, which is called Stories of an English Teacher. So why are you going there? And this is available on Amazon as a paperback and an ebook. And that gives more information about my journey in Russia and my travels throughout the country.
How it's changed my life is that I think now I feel confident about actually travelling to Russia, ice skating in Russia, and just speaking to more people. So I can't wait to actually go there.
Thank you very much. Спасибо большое. До свидания. Good night. Добрый вечер.